May this full moon brings lot of wisdom, clarity, abundance, and love into your life. We are on the last full moon of this powerful year 2024, and I'm damn sure you have been manifesting all year round, but this is something special. Stay tuned as we are going to talk about the power of full moon and how we can manifest the miracles into our life with the help of moon and its power. My name is Vikram and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, and many other things. So before starting, I want you to close your eyes and we bow down to the moon and we say Om Chandraya Namaha, Om Chandradevaya Namaha. In English, we say it as I release what no longer serves me and I attract abundance, love, and peace into my life. I bow down to the moon and its power, and I am damn sure that it is going to help me a lot to transform my life into something creative and magical. So, as we know, that full moon is so powerful for your transformation, for manifesting miracles, and somehow you can manifest a lot of new things into your life. Somehow you can transform your best life, and this can be done on the occasions like full moon. As we are on the last full moon of this particular year, I want you to do some rituals today and tonight. Cleanse your crystals and just try to be aware that you are going to transform. Try to be aware about the past, whatever has happened to you, and whatever traumas, whatever challenges, whatever issues you are going with or what you are dealing with. You have to just leave them away from your life and begin a fresh life from now onwards. A clear life, a life which is full of happiness and your abundance. Okay. And this last full moon of December is a powerful time to release the old and manifest the new into your life. So we already know that how much power the moon is carrying and how it impacts our emotions, as I have spoken in my previous videos. So basically whatever emotions you are having on the time of full moon, that will be manifested, and this is the main reason that you have to make sure that you're actually happy, you're actually calm, and you're thinking about the visions and the manifestations which you want in your life, instead of going into traumas, going into the negative things, thinking about your past, thinking about all the bad things which has happened in your life. You just focus on what you want and who you are and who you want to become, because if you're not focusing on these things, then you are going to manifest your past into your present, and your present will be the same as your past and the future will be same as your present. Let me know in the comments if you got me here or not. Okay. And I will say this year, like, it's going to end, and this full moon invites us to let go of negativity and align with our deepest desires of the coming year, as I have already told you right now. And we are going to do a ritual. You will be getting a candle, white candle, you will be getting a white paper, you will be getting a black pen, and you can also use a bay leaf as well if you are having. And you will be sitting in the moonlight, you will be just trying to close your eyes and breathe in and breathe out for 21 times. And then once you feel that your mind is calm, once you feel that you do not have any kind of thoughts bothering you or scattering into your mind, then you are going to write down your name, your date of birth, your desires, what you want to manifest. And on the back side of the paper or on the back side of the bay leaf, you are going to write down all the negative things which you want to remove from your life. And you just have to set your intention that you are burning your negativity out, and you are attracting the newer you, the better you, the positive version of you, and the transformation which you are actually wanting to get. So you will be focusing on it, that it is already happening, it is already happening in your favor. Moon is giving you the powers to manifest whatever you want in your life. Okay, so these kind of emotions you have to put into your visualization and meditation, because if you do not put your emotions and visualization, then it is not going to help you out. Why? Because in visualization, if you're just seeing a movie like a mind movie, that I am going to eradicate the suffering or the negative energies, and I'm going to attract money, love, etc., etc., into my life, then it doesn't work like that, because you are not putting your energy out into the world, you're not putting your emotions out into this manifestation. And if you're not putting your exact emotions, then you cannot manifest also. I hope you got what I'm trying to say. Make sure you watch these videos 2 or 3 times to understand, or maybe you can just try to use the YouTube settings and maybe slow down my video. And I want to make sure that I am focusing on everything, whatever I have written in my notes, so that I can give you the best knowledge, whatever I want to give in this particular video as well. And what else you can do is, after you do this thing, for example, you're breathing in, you're writing this thing down, you are just seeing a mind movie visualization, then you're burning that paper, then we have to be grateful for the things which we are wanting to manifest into our life. For example, if you are wanting to manifest a job, career, love, relationships, health, then just be grateful now. Thank you so much, moon. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you so much, God, for giving me this particular thing. And I trust that I'm going to receive it because you are there with me. So these kind of gratitude you have to do as well. And what else we can say? See, basically, the full moon symbolizes completion and clarity. Okay, because it is a cycle. You already know that moon is having different cycles. You see this, then you see this, then you see this. So it's a cycle that the moon follows. Similarly, we also have a cycle. Our mind, our life. We are going from childhood, then adolescence, then teenage, then adult, then old age. So it's a cycle which we follow, and full moon is a cycle of completion. So you can be sure enough that you are going to manifest a lot of desires of you, because it is going to fulfill it. It is just that, are you even clear enough to manifest those desires into your dream life? Are you really clear about that? If you're clear, it is going to bring lot of clarity, lot of abundance, and it is going to amplify. Full moon is going to amplify that particular energy, and you can manifest a lot of better things on a much faster pace. Okay, I hope you got me here. Also, it is the time to let go of the old habits, thoughts, people, energies that no longer serves you. As I always say, that you have to remove everything which is not valuing you, which is not going to give you any fruit, any benefit, which is draining your energy. You have to declutter every single thought, every single person, every single desire, every single place, every single particular thing which is not serving you anymore. You have to let it go. Okay. Apart from this, uh, we will be talking more about the full moon, as it carries amplified energy, as I have already told you, for closure and manifestation and completion of the wishes which you're having. Also, when you will be sitting in the moonlight, you will be connecting more towards the nature, and as the moonlight like illuminates what's hidden, helping us see clearly what we need to release. Because when we are doing that ritual, we are actually removing our old selves, and we are actually manifesting the newer self of ours which we are wanting to get. Okay, what else we can talk about in this particular full moon is that you have to make sure that you're aligning with the moon's energy, and you're putting your emotions out, as I have already told you, and you have to cleanse yourself, and you have to reset yourself, as I told you in the starting of this video. Okay, so how can you like release? This is we are going to talk about right now. Step number one is reflection. Okay, step number two is letting go, and step number three is manifestation. So basically, I want you to remember anything, any moment of yours, any experience of yours which you have experienced this particular year. So what kind of year it has been into your life? So you have to reflect on that, and I'll make more videos about this topic. And then you have to let go everything which is not serving you, and then you have to be clear enough to manifest what you want in your life. Okay, Mantras and chanting, what you can do during this time is like Om Chandraya Namaha, Om Chandra Devaya Namaha. This thing you can do, and you can say, I honor this energy of the full moon and align myself with its power to release and manifest. Okay, so just make sure that your eyes are closed during this entire process and you are lighting that white candle. You're visualizing your newer selves, the brighter self, and the abundant future which full moon is bringing you close towards your life, and you will be asking for the guidance from the moon that what kind of steps you can take in order to manifest your dreams and wishes in your life. Okay, and at last, I will say, as we close this year under the full moon's light, remember that you have the power to release what no longer serves you and create the life you desire, because the power is already there within you. It is just that are you able to pull that power out or no? Are you able to bring that power into your life in front of you and use that power to manifest your goal, dream, desires, and wishes or no? This is something which you have to understand. This is something which you have to realize that the power is already there within you, and you just have to make your powers get used. Okay, so this is something which you have to understand, and also let this be your moment of transformation and renewal. And if this ritual resonates you, I know I have spoken a lot because I wanted to make it sure that 1 hour of content I'm trying to give in 10 minutes or 11 minutes, and that is the reason I'm speaking it so fast. But make sure you watch this video 2 or 3 times so that you can understand what I'm actually trying to say, because we have spoken about a lot of things. And about the crystals now, basically, if you're having any kind of crystals, then you can actually recharge your crystals and you can use them for your manifestation purposes, because it is going to give you a lot of fruits. And it is also important to release the old energy of the crystals. You have to recharge them and you have to use it again. If you're not having manifestation bottle, manifestation oil, crystal bracelet, pendants, then you can connect with Decode Your Destiny on Instagram and you can get them for your life. But if you're already having it, make sure you are trying to recharge them. Okay, and trying to like re-energize them so that it can give you a lot of fruits. Also, what else we can talk about? If you want to share any personal testimony, any feedback of our videos, of our courses or our sessions, how it has impacted your life, then you can share your video testimony to my team, and I'll be happy to have your video testimony as well. And make sure you are practicing gratitude. Make sure that you are taking the benefit of the last full moon of December, and it is time to let go of the past and embrace the future. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you. Take care. Stay happy. Om Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.